The ANCHER Electric Bike for adults, featuring a peak 750W motor, is an impressive offering for both casual riders and serious enthusiasts seeking an efficient and thrilling cycling experience. With a sleek design and a variety of features, this electric bike aims to provide a versatile solution for commuting, leisurely rides, or even tackling challenging terrains. First and foremost, the design of the ANCHER Electric Bike is striking. Its aluminum alloy frame is lightweight yet durable, which is crucial for both performance and longevity. The bike has a modern aesthetic that appeals to a wide demographic, making it a stylish choice for urban commuting. Additionally, the bike is available in various colors, allowing users to choose a model that suits their personal style. The standout feature of this electric bike is its robust 750W motor. This peak power output means the bike can easily handle steep inclines and rough terrains with minimal effort from the rider. When I first took it out for a spin, I was amazed at how effortlessly it climbed hills that would usually require significant pedaling effort on a traditional bike. The responsive acceleration also makes it a joy to ride. Whether you're speeding off from a stoplight or merging into traffic, the power is immediately available at your fingertips. Equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery, the ANCHER bike boasts a fast charge capability, taking only about 3 hours to reach full capacity. This is particularly advantageous for daily commuters who need a quick turnaround between rides. During my testing, I was able to achieve a range of approximately 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode of assistance used. The 3 riding modes, pedal assist, pure electric, and manual, offer flexibility that caters to different riding preferences and conditions. Whether you're looking for a workout or just a relaxed ride, the bike can adapt to your needs seamlessly. Safety is also a primary consideration with this electric bike. It features front and rear disc brakes, which provide reliable stopping power, an essential element for any bike, especially one capable of reaching higher speeds. I felt secure during my rides, even in wet conditions, as the brakes performed consistently and allowed for controlled stops. The bike also comes equipped with bright LED headlights and a horn, enhancing visibility and safety during night rides. One aspect of the ANCHER electric bike that deserves praise is its adjustable seat and handlebars. This feature ensures that riders of different heights can find a comfortable riding position, which is crucial for longer trips. I appreciated the ergonomic design of the bike. I could ride for hours without experiencing discomfort, which is not something I can always say about traditional bicycles. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. While the bike's weight of around 55 pounds is manageable, it might be cumbersome for some users, especially when lifting it for storage or loading it into a vehicle. The bike's size is also somewhat bulky, which could be a concern for those with limited storage space. Additionally, while the assembly process is relatively straightforward, I found that a few small adjustments were necessary for optimal performance. A little mechanical knowledge would be beneficial, or you might want to consider professional assembly. Another point to consider is the bike's price point. While it's competitively priced for an electric bike of this caliber, it might still be on the higher end for casual cyclists or those new to e-bikes. However, the quality of components, performance, and features justify the investment for anyone serious about biking. In terms of maintenance, the ANCHER electric bike is relatively easy to care for. Regular checks of the battery life, tire pressure, and brake performance will ensure a smooth riding experience. The bike's components seem to be of high quality, and I anticipate minimal issues over time with proper upkeep. In conclusion, the ANCHER electric bike for adults with its peak 750W motor, fast-charging battery, and thoughtful design, presents an excellent option for a wide range of riders. It combines power, comfort, and versatility, making it suitable for commuting, recreational outings, or